Good afternoon, you're watching another episode of Phantom Flight 101. And this week's episode, I'm back here in the cockpit, going over some footage of some video I shot about 2 years ago out in Cold Spring Harbor. We had a meetup up in Northport, and due to some issues of having a permit situation, we had to move up out of Northport, and one of the guys that live in the area took us over to an area where we could fly over in Cold Spring Harbor. Now you got to be careful in Cold Spring Harbor because some of it is a state park. So we moved over to the other side of this inlet, and where we were able to fly over, and it's some nice footage. And take a look at it with me. Come on.
Under palm trees, somewhere a million miles away. You look like you wanna try this thing. I love it. The wind in the tide in the morning, a beautiful breeze. Lay right under the sun, it's 100 degrees. Follow me to waters crystal clear. You and I like to lay low, sail out on a sailboat. Hold me tight.
That was my time in Cold Spring Harbor, and I hope you enjoyed the flight. Please feel free to check out the descriptions below, and also feel free to leave your comments. And I'll see you next time on Phantom Flight 101.